Cedar Lake was started by parents 50 years ago that asked the question, what will happen to my child when I'm gone? Cedar Lake has become that answer for a lot of folks. There's a lot of rampant abuse and neglect in institutions in the past, and so Cedar Lake has become this Christian organization that is vibrant. We hire staff very carefully. As a matter of fact, part of our mission statement is people who are compassionate, people who are capable. So we train and we make sure that we've got the absolute best at Cedar Lake so that those parents never have to worry. They know that their child is getting the best of services.
Prior to ImageQuest coming in, we had a team of 4. Everything was handled in-house. And then we had some turnover. We lost the leadership within the department, and we just needed some help getting things back on track. We were a little bit unsteady, and we had some issues with networking and being able to provide our staff with the tools they needed in order to get their jobs done.
Our department had a lack of direction and vision. Our equipment and technology was outdated, and due to the lack of direction in the department, we were unable to get anywhere in updating that equipment or completing any projects on time. ImageQuest came in and they helped us determine where we're at, what we need to do to complete that vision of where we want our department to be in the future.
You know, really the backbone of what we do is all electronic. You know, we've got a lot of filings that we have to do. We have to make sure that our staff feel supported in their homes, and a lot of them are isolated, and so they need IT. They need to make sure that internet and their computers and everything is working perfectly.
When we brought ImageQuest in, one of the things we talked about was getting some efficiencies and some cost savings. They've certainly done that. They've helped us out with budgeting. They've negotiated some contracts for us and done a great job of helping us realize those efficiencies and cost savings.
Everyone at ImageQuest is really easy to work with. It almost feels like they're actually employed with our department instead of being just another vendor that we reach out to for help.
They've been fantastic. Everyone on the team, from Milton right on down, they've been great to work with, great communicators, very responsive, great overall. I recommend them to anyone.
There's been some great information given to us, some great opinions on how to become more successful, and we're implementing those. And thanks to ImageQuest, our team is a lot happier because they feel like that they're connected with people who understand the IT industry. They are understanding that they are always going to be looking at what needs to be done next and advising us on that. And so there's nothing better than when I have an operations team that's very happy.